Hello everyone, just on my way out for an adventure. Going to check out a nice waterfall, which is on the outside of Sydney. Should be a good day. The weather's going to clear up. Trying to get to the waterfall around midday, so we got the sunlight right over the top of it. Should be really good. Alright, so I've made it up the mountain. You might be able to hear the water already. It's pretty epic. It's a pretty cool spot. Have a look at that. Alright, there's another spot just around here as well. It's a pretty unique double waterfall. And we've had a lot of rain, so there's more water coming down that waterfall than usual as well. And definitely the best vantage point for this waterfall at the top. You can see them both, but this is insane. So cool. See, but that footpath is very steep to get down, so I'm gonna have to pack away my GoPro to get to the bottom. I think I'll just use my phone from here. I'll see you at the bottom. Alright, let's go. Been making my way through this track. You can hear the water getting stronger and stronger, so we must be getting close. The track obviously a bit struggling. Make sure you bring water. Take breaks if you need to. But really, to be honest, it is a bit risky. So you should only try this if you're confident. You've got to get under trees. Oh. Gotta get over trees and over rocks. Pretty awesome. Check this out. At the base of the fall, quite a bit of water coming down there. A lot. Pretty big. We got some rain just before, so probably a bit more intense than normal. Check it out. Also, another thing, if you're going to do anything that does put yourself at risk of injury, at risk of needing any kind of emergency rescue, do make sure you've got travel insurance. Just a quick break to talk about safety wings and we'll get you straight back. Now, with the adventures and activities we do on this channel, it wouldn't be right if we didn't at least let you know about travel and medical cover. We do suggest safety wings. They offer great value cover at competitive prices. They cover hospital and medical, accidents and injuries, scooters and motorbikes. They have an easy sign-up process. You can sign up whilst you're overseas, 24-hour customer service, and it's worldwide cover. Our link is in the description below. If you use our link to sign up for Safety Wings, we do get a small payment from Safety Wings. So it does help support the channel and we do appreciate the support. Let's get you back to the video. Sent the drone, got some pretty good footage actually. Dove a couple of times. Got a few dives in. So I used one battery pack, wasn't willing to do another. First time waterfall diving, it's always risky, you can lose your drone. So to do it successfully first time, you don't want to push it. I don't want to put in another battery pack and send it again. I still have my drone, so I'm happy with that. I got some pretty good footage, so let's check it out. Alright, here you go. So those were the drone shots. Back at the car now, let's see what we can do. We've got the time, we've got the battery power to do it. Let's see what we can find. Alright, let's go. On the way back to Sydney, I've stopped off for a nice view at the Seacliff Bridge. It's pretty cool. It's a popular location. If you've ever come to Sydney, it's probably on your to-do list for sure. There is a climb. You can climb up onto the top of the cliff. But from what I've heard, it's really sketchy. And I've been up since 4 o'clock this morning and it's like 3 in the afternoon, so I'm not ready to take any risk. I'm pretty tired right now. So as you can see, this is all the cliff. It's all cliff edge, so it's pretty much straight down. A lot of this, it's like just cliff. And then, of course, the bridge goes over the ocean. It's pretty cool. So definitely worth checking out. The views alone make it pretty awesome. I think instead of getting the drone up today, because there is a lot of people around, obviously drone safety is important. There's a big difference between risking the drone and risking other people's safety, so I will take you for a drive over so you can get a first-person view of what it's like to go over the bridge in the car. Alright, well, let's go for the drive. great day. Worked out pretty good. Pretty happy with the footage. Hope you enjoyed it. I'll be heading to another location, so actually I'll be leaving Australia, heading overseas. So it'd be good. Overseas trip, a bit of a workation. Yeah, I'm looking forward to it. A lot more in store, a lot more coming. If you want to know more, certainly hit that subscribe, hit the like button, leave any comments. What would you like me to do? Where would you like me to go? What would you like to see? Let me know. Hit that subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you again. Alright, cheers.